Welcome back to another video. As you probably saw in the video that's probably going to come out before this one, I'm in a different space. As you can see, cars in different space. This is my C7A6, and today we're going to do a little bit of maintenance on it. So like I said before, you probably saw a where have I been video, and this should be the second video that you see in this location. Today we're going to do spark plugs, coil packs, an oil change, and front brake pads. Now, not sure yet if I'm going to break all of those up into separate videos. I might, depending on how long each segment goes, because I don't want to waste like your time and have this be like an hour-long video, and you know it's going to get dark, all that jazz. So, everything that you need to do these jobs, you'll be seeing on screen right now. I got pretty much everything from FCP Euro. I, for whatever reason, decided to go with ECS for the brake pads. But there will be links for all of this stuff down in the description below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Start by removing your air intake. Mine may look a little different from yours because I have a CTS turbo cold air intake. Now you're going to want to start removing the T25 screws that hold the coil pack wires down. Now they make special tools to get the coil packs out, but as you see, I just use a pry tool to get it out and go from there. When you pull your coil packs out, if you see that you have oil like I'm showing here on your coil packs, it might be time to start saving up for a valve cover gasket job. Next, you're going to take your spark plugs out with a 5/8 spark plug socket. Take a look at the spark plugs, see how they look. You've taken your old spark plugs out, go ahead and replace them with the new ones, and you can put your new coil packs back in. Everything on this side goes back together the same way that it came apart. Let's move over to the other side of the car. You're going to start by removing your coolant bottle here. Every time you take something apart like that bracket there, always make sure you put the screws or bolts back with it so you don't lose them. Next, we're going to take this connector here apart at the end of the coolant bottle. It's the same as pretty much every other Audi Volkswagen connector. To get these hard coolant lines out, you just take a pick tool or something flat and stick in there and pull up on the little tab that you'll see there like you saw me do. And of course, use your electric ratchet to hold it down. Now you're going to want to start by disconnecting the coil harness from the coil packs. And just like on the other side, go ahead and use your pry tool or buy an actual tool to remove these. Next, you're going to go in with your spark plug socket and your extension and take the spark plugs out just like you did on the other side. Now you're just gonna go and reinstall your coil packs pretty much just the same way that they came out after you put your new spark plugs in. Make sure you plug up that harness back to your coolant bottle. Make sure you put the bracket back on just the way you found it. That's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you didn't like something, tell me why you didn't like it. Thanks for watching.